Introducing the Machenike K500W wireless mechanical keyboard, perfect for ultimate gaming flexibility. With tri-mode connection, Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 wireless, and wired, you can seamlessly switch between devices. Its 94-key compact layout offers more room for mouse movement and easy portability. Choose from clicky, linear, or tactile HUANO mechanical switches, all hot-swappable for 3/5-pin switches. Enjoy customizable RGB backlighting with 20 dynamic modes and 16.8 million colors. The built-in 2000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use, and a sound-dampening silicone pad enhances noise reduction. Upgrade your setup with the Machenike K500W.